Hello everyone, myself Paritosh Sharma, and today I am here to present you all a group presentation on the topic History of Camera. So these are my group members, Mayank Rajora, Mohammad Asif Khan, Rishabh Gupta and me. So let's know about the content of the topic. Firstly, we will know about history of camera, then we will know about what is camera, then first camera, difference between old and new camera, different types of cameras, different types of lenses, types about camera, and lastly, we will conclude the topic. So history. In 1676, Johann Sturm described first known use of reflex mirror in the camera obscura. In 1685, Johann Zahn developed a portable SLR camera obscura with focusable lens, adjustable aperture, and transparent viewing screen. In 17th century, the development of the camera obscura took two tracks. One of these led to the portable box device that was drawing tool known as camera obscura, a combination of education and entertainment. In 1851, Frederick Scott Archer, a sculptor in London, improves photographic resolution by spreading a mixture of collodion. Collodion means nitrated cotton dissolved in ether and alcohol, and chemicals on sheet of glass. Wet plate collodion photography was much cheaper. This process was published but not patented. In 1855, beginning of stereoscopic era. In 1903, Palmer and Stereographics first and only stereo SLR underwater camera. In 1856, William Thomson takes the first underwater picture using a camera mounted on a pole. In 1899, the first underwater camera and lights are invented by Louis Wattenand. He uses them to make the first underwater photograph using artificial light. In 1926, William Harding Longley and Charles Martin takes the first underwater color photos using a magnesium-powered flash. In 1858, Nadir. Aerial photography practiced by Nadir. In 1859, panoramic camera patented Thomas Sutton. In 1878, dry plates being manufactured commercially. In 1900, Kodak Brownie roll film camera was introduced. In 1893, kinetography by Dixon was introduced. In 2008, Nikon D90, which captures at 1280 into 720, that is HD resolution at 24 frames, was introduced. Also in 2008, Panasonic Lumix G1, first camera with electronic viewfinder, was introduced. In 2012, Sony RX1, first full-frame compact camera, was introduced. Also in 2012, Nikon 800E, first DSLR camera without AA filter, was introduced. And also in 2012, Sigma HD9, first DSLR with dust reduction system camera, was introduced. In 2004, first digital rangefinder RD1 Epson camera was introduced. In 2014, Nikon 810, first DSLR with highlighted weighted TTL meter, was introduced. In 2016, first dual pixel camera sensor camera Canon 70D was introduced.
What is camera? A piece of equipment that you use for taking photographs or moving picture is known as camera. A camera is an optical instrument used to capture an image at their most basic. Camera are sealed boxes with a small hole that allow light to capture an image on light sensitive surface. Camera having various mechanisms to control how the light falls on the light sensitive surface. Videos and digital camera use an electronic image sensor, usually a charged coupled device, CCD or a CMOS sensor to capture image. First camera. The invention of the camera has been tracked back to the work of Ibn al-Haytham, who is credited with the invention of the pinhole camera. Camera obscures were used as drawing aids since a last circa 1550. Since the late 17th century, portable cameras, obscura devices in tents and boxes were used as drawing aids. Who invented the first camera? John Jahn designed the first camera in 1685, but the first photograph was clicked by Joseph Nicephore in the year 1814. What was the first camera called? The use of photographic film was pioneered by George Eastman, who started manufacturing paper film in 1885 before switching to celluloid in 1889. His first camera, which he called the Kodak, was first offered for sale in 1888. What did the first camera look like? The pinhole camera consisted of dark room with a small hole punctured into one of the walls. The light from outside the room entered the hole, projected a luminous beam onto the opposing wall. The illuminated projection showed a smaller inverted picture of the scene outside the room. What was the first digital camera? In 1975, Kodak engineer Steve Sasson created the first ever digital camera. It was built using parts of kits and leftover around the Kodak factory and an early CCD image sensor from Fairchild in 1974. The camera was about the size of bread box and it took 23 seconds to capture a single image. Why was the camera made? Louis Daguerre actually didn't invent his camera on purpose, but he used it to help people develop pictures that took less time to make and were high quality. At first, George Eastman wanted to make photography simple for himself to use, but then he thought of the idea to use it for commercial production. Why did nobody smile in old photographs? One common explanation for lack of smile in photographs is that long exposure times. The time a camera need to take a picture made it important for the subject of a picture to stay as still as possible. Who was the first person to smile in a photo? Philly is looking at something amusing off to his right, and the photograph captured just a hint a smile from him. The first ever recorded according to experts at the National Library of Wales. Philly's portrait was taken in 1853 when he was 18. How many minutes was the first camera photo taken? The first photograph of a person. The first photograph of a human appeared above in a snapshot captured by Louis Daguerre. The exposure lasted around 7 minutes and was aimed at capturing the Boulevard du Temple, a thoroughfare in Paris, France. Where did digital camera become popular? What year did digital camera become popular? Sorry. 1990s. The first consumer digital camera were marketed in late 1990s. Who took the first selfie? Robert Cornelius. The first ever selfie was taken in 1839 by Robert Cornelius, which not termed as such then. An amateur chemist and photograph enthusiast in Philadelphia, Cornelius took a picture of himself back of his family chandelier store.
Difference between old and a new camera. The difference is on a few different levels. First, obviously, it's a technology. Old photos, depending how far back you go, were created with chemicals drawing out of the imaging from both film and paper. In early days, people posing for portraits would have braces for arms, necks, etc. to help keep people still for a long exposure, sometimes 5 to 10 minutes. In terms of technique and tools, there are obviously huge differences. Equipment and style, but mainly more modern photos are much more relaxed and casual. In olden days, people would think you were insane if you smile in a photo. They were very stiff, rigid, and expensive. So there are very few retakes that made the photos were more valuable to subject owners. Now we have unlimited retakes and oceans of images. Different types of cameras: compact cameras, DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, action adventure cameras, 360 cameras, medium format cameras, traditional film cameras. Compact cameras. They are lightweight, easy to use, and you just point and shoot. They remind me of what family vacations are captured on. They belong in 90s fanny pack and are taken out when moms wants a photo in front of a structure, compact cameras are pretty awesome. DSLR camera. DSLR are the go-to cameras for most creatives, whether you are a professional photographer or aspiring videographer looking to get the YouTube channel off the ground. You will likely find this camera works for any project. Mirrorless cameras. Mirrorless cameras are lighter, more compact alternative to the DSLR and provide incredible quality images, especially videos. The camera body lacks a mirror that reflects light to the sensor. Instead, the light goes straight to the sensor. Action or adventure cameras. Action cameras, sometimes called adventure cameras, are great of outdoor filming or otherwise rough condition. They are often used for sports, photography and videography. 360 cameras. Similar to action cameras, many 360-degree cameras are water resistant and mountable on the ton of surfaces. They can be put on drones, helmets, cars, you name it. The best thing about these guys is their ability to capture really interesting footage. Medium format cameras. Not nearly as common as the other cameras listed above, medium format is any camera format that makes use of 120 film size or uses a digital imaging sensor that matches the size. Traditional film cameras. Digital probably has way more advantages than traditional film. Well, not probably, it does. Digital gives you the photos in real time and does not involve developing or film cost.
Type of lenses. There are basic 5 type of lenses. First, micro lenses. This type of lenses is used to create very close-up micro photographs. Second, telephoto lenses. Third, wide angle lenses. Fourth, standard lenses. Fifth, specialty lenses. Fact about cameras. Every camera does the work is designed to do, but may be not the same quality wanted. Most photographers want their perfection in their work rather than their equipment. Our responsible camera is equivalent to the box camera. All cameras are box the capture light. Two type of cameras: old fashioned film and digital camera. Conclusion: your camera should become an extension of your heart. This means that it must fit conflict with your lifestyle. Be responsible rather than a burden. Understand your mood, always be reliable and ever at the service of your soul. Thank you.